In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log in YouTube channel without Gmail. 2025. If you have a YouTube channel that is connected to a non-Gmail email address, you can still sign in normally. The key thing to understand is that YouTube sign-in uses your Google account credentials, and a Google account can be created with an email address that is not Gmail. So as long as your channel is tied to that email and you know the correct password, the login process is straightforward. Start by opening your web browser and going to youtube.com. Make sure the page fully loads, and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see the Sign In button there. Click Sign In. On the Sign In page, you will be asked for an email address or phone number. This is where you will enter your non-Gmail email address. Use the exact email you used when the Google account was created, because YouTube will only recognize the email that is linked to the account that owns the channel. Take your time typing it, since even a small typo can stop you from signing in. After you enter your non-Gmail email address, click Next. You will then be taken to the password screen. Enter your password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure your caps lock key is not on, and double-check any special characters if you use them. Once your password is entered, click Next again. After a moment, you should be signed into YouTube, and your profile icon will appear in the top right corner. From there, you will have access to your account and your channel, just like you would with a Gmail login. If the site does not sign you in right away, pause for a second and let the page finish loading. Also confirm you are using the same email address connected to the channel, since many people have more than one account. Staying consistent with the correct email and password is what makes this work smoothly. That covers everything you need to know.